best small sports sedans for 2024-2023 Audi RS3. In the ever-evolving landscape of small sports sedans, the 2023 Audi RS3 emerges as a dominant force, blending exhilarating performance, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled luxury. As the latest iteration of Audi's esteemed RS lineup, this compact sedan raises the bar for driving excitement while maintaining the practicality and refinement expected from the brand. Under the hood of the 2023 Audi RS3 resides a potent turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-5 engine, delivering an impressive 394 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS3 offers explosive acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the RS3 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. However, the RS3 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Audi's engineers have meticulously tuned the RS3's suspension, chassis, and steering to provide precise and responsive handling, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with confidence. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the RS3 offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Audi RS3 exudes an air of sophistication and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, a distinctive honeycomb grille, and LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The RS3's sporty appearance is further enhanced by 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and RS-specific styling cues, which add to its dynamic presence. Inside the cabin, the RS3 offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Audi's MMI infotainment system, virtual cockpit, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Audi RS3 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi RS3 represents the pinnacle of performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the RS3 offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether cruising along the highway or tackling twisty backroads, the RS3 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.